I've really been in a space lately of making things for myself from scratch: food, skincare, routines, boundaries, all of it, okay? This body butter was one of the things that felt symbolic, like, yeah, I'm back, but softer. This video was actually filmed before I moved back to the East Coast in my old kitchen during a chapter that felt both cozy and uncertain. I really had no idea of how much life was about to shift for me, but this whipped vanilla bean cocoa butter, it's warm, it's rich, it's non-toxic, and honestly, it's luxurious in a way that feels like a reminder that I deserve to feel good in my skin at all times, okay? And I use a full tub of raw cocoa butter, a cup of organic coconut oil, some vegetable glycerin to seal in hydration, a little cinnamon for glow, and vanilla because it just makes you feel so yummy and smells so good, okay? And while it melts, I'll be real, this season of my life has definitely been a lot. I moved back to the East Coast after 15 years in California and Arizona, and it was definitely not easy, but it was so necessary. Like, I've gone through so much since being here, especially family-wise. I definitely needed to be back here for those things. How's it, mommy? But some things cracked me open, but honestly, I knew I was meant to be back here in order to realign and to heal. My postpartum was heavy, and I feel like I shared some of that with you guys, but like for real, I won't even sugarcoat that. But I moved through it, I did the work, and now I'm back in my baddie energy again. If you haven't noticed, there is a shift on my Instagram, okay? So she is back in baddie energy, okay? But anyways, I'm still soft, still gentle, and honestly, I'm just not apologizing for who I am anymore. I'm not outsourcing my joy. I'm not waiting for someone else to give me permission to feel luxurious. None of that, okay? This is my villain era, okay? In a good way, but this is for me. This is my selfish villain era. And if you know, you know, okay? Anyways, this little body butter moment, it's more than just skincare. It's a ritual because it's softness and it's me mothering myself while I mother my baby as well. I whipped it until it fluffed up like frosting, okay? And I swear nothing melts into your skin better. And I use it on my belly, my arms, my legs, obviously my whole body, okay? And of course, I do use it for my baby as well. And honestly, sometimes I just put it on and I just pause and I breathe it in because it smells so good and it's just so like calming. I don't know about you, but I love smelling edible and I love smelling yummy because I'm a Taurus moon. Your girl loves to eat, okay? So I love to smell very yummy. Anyways, we deserve that. We deserve softness. We deserve stillness. We deserve glow. All those things, okay? Never forget that. So if you're watching this, definitely take it as a reminder to start pouring into you. And if you stopped, start pouring back into yourself again. Create something. Take your power back in the smallest ways that add up. I'll drop the links below of all the products you need to make this yummy body butter. And of course, I'll also have the recipe in the description box below as well. But more than that, I hope this inspires you to make this space for you again, because that's so important. Because when we feel good in our bodies, we remember just how powerful we are. Like, seriously, I say that from the bottom of my heart. Someone coming from where I did and getting back to this point. But again, remember, healing is not linear. It is being at the highest mountain peak to the lowest valley, okay? It is an up and down cycle. That is what healing is. So just because you're at a low or just because you're at a high, don't ever feel like this is it, okay? So healing is not linear. But I want you guys to know I'm so proud of you. You're amazing. Of course, I am back on social media, so things like giving a like, comment, a share, all of those things help my channel again, because I know a lot of you, now that I am back posting, tell me that you don't really see my content. So we kind of got to let the algorithm know that your girl is back, and it helps me so much if you guys actually comment and like this video and share it with your friends if you thought it was a worthwhile video. I mean, don't do nothing that you don't want to actually do, Okay? Anyways, but if you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and on TikTok at iamLindaElaine. I'm so late, but now I'm like obsessed with TikTok. I hope it doesn't go away. And I just actually started an Instagram at the Mommy Vibes, which shares non-toxic swaps just like this one, as well as stuff that you can get in the stores as well. I'm not super active on there, but again, it's mainly just as a resource, so definitely go check it out. Bye guys.